All right, hello everyone. So this is Shao. I'm back this week again. So yeah, I've been presenting Athena for multiple times. This week I want to present our Google Drive integration for Athena Board. So Athena Board is definitely our most popular product with over 2 million installed on Google Workspace. As you can see here on Google Workspace alone, we have a 2 million install over here. And our newest integration, the Drive edition, it's been launched since September and already have more than 4,000 installed for the Drive version. Basically, it allows you to save the board on Google Drive. So let's just see what you can do. So this for Athena board, it's a collaborative whiteboard, but AI power. You see the AI sidebar over here. Basically, you can prompt anything on the sidebar over here and drag the visual assets. For example, here the prompt I was given was generate mobile app mockups, wireframes. So I got a bunch of like wireframes that I can drag into the scene over here. So here is my existing wireframe. And of course I can, I can drag in any assets over here. For example, this, I think is dragging over here. I can put it, I don't know, at the end over here. Right, so I can make it like this. I can customize like a text over here if I want. That's the beauty because those are not images. Those are like pre-generated asset in your library. We got 10,000 of those here. So what the algorithm here is doing is purely recommendation. For example, if I don't like the button here, I can give like I can ask for more buttons by simply asking for buttons. I think I have a typo over here. Let's see if you can catch it up. More. Yeah, actually, you totally got it, and you give me more button option here. So let me just, now I can remove the button over here and replace it with a new button. Right, so select this element. I don't know which one is cooler. Maybe this one is like the one with the map. Why not? So yeah, it's here. I can replace the button on here. I know it doesn't make sense over here to have a show on map button, but just to show that you can do it here. So of course I can do it. Any other thing than like the wireframe. I think there's someone mentioned latex. Yes, we support latex in Athena chat. So for example, if people asking for balancing chemical equation, I think that's the one that's going to be generated with latex. So because we are in Google Workspace, a lot of our referral from Google Classroom, so a lot of teachers are using it to generate math questions. Okay, good. So you see this is a latex worksheet over here. Now I'm adding it to the board. It's up here. If I want to save it, I can save it to the Google Drive. So this is a Google Drive integration. So I'm just gonna name it demo over here. And it will appear on my Google Drive here if I do refresh. So this is the Google Drive integration. I think there's a problem with the internet. I may need to refresh and click on it here again. Anyway, it may take a while to showing up.